Hey, Mike Dance from Brookside. And today what I'm going to show you is the Mitel MiCloud Connect. It's a little client that comes with the MiCloud cloud-based solution. Basically, it's an app that goes on any device, anywhere, the same user experience across Apple, Android, tablets, whatever. I mean, this little app comes up, looks like this no matter what. You can type a name in there. If you were going to start typing, it would come up with somebody in your contacts. Contacts are all synced with your Outlook automatically. Everything's really plug and play, point and click. One click to pretty much everything. Click there, there's a dial pad. This is a phone, so when I call out, the caller ID is from my office. When someone calls my office, it comes in here as well as rings my desk phone. You've got, up here, you've got the ability to come in and see, this is how you get into the settings more or less. There's a lot of things you can do to set things up here initially, but it's really pretty much, like I said, plug and play. Your video credentials and all those things are going to be the same as what you've got, your Exchange account, all stuff that gets set up really automatically. It did for me anyway. I didn't really have to touch anything. I kind of pointed stuff and it just started working. Down here you see I got my own conference bridge right there with my own dial-in number, participation code. We're not really going to use any of those digits or anything that you can, but for the most part, everything is just really one click into conferencing. And so as you come down, you've got your contacts here. You've got basically, a history of all the calls I've made. Here we've got voicemails. Here we've got chats. Over here we've got new events. And so the new events are going to be where we look at doing conferences. This is my calendar here, as you see. I go up, I say, okay, I want to do a conference. So I click on the new event. It's either going to be a web conference or screen share like we're doing now, or a video conference. And so I can type in there. I can type, South by Southwest. Uh-oh, that's not good. Anyway, and I can say when, it's going to be the 27th and it's going to be an hour, how long it is. And then down here, what I like about it is you can throw together an automatic agenda that lets people know how long we're going to talk about different things. The bands, that's going to be for, 20 minutes. Yeah, use the caps. We're going to talk about food. That's going to be for 20 minutes. So you do have an agenda there going, and then when you're done, like I said, you one click, boom, create. So now I just created a web conference, and now it's going to go into Outlook and automatically create an invite for me in Outlook that I'll be able to just add my Outlook contacts that I want to go to that meeting. Then those folks will get this email, looks like this, and has, it's Mike Dance, South by Southwest. Down here, we're going to talk about bands for 20 minutes. Food for 20 minutes. Right here's the location, say online, on the web, whatever you want to say. Up here, I can either schedule to work through Zoom or through Skype or through Teams. I mean, those are all different things that are all easily integrated into what I did. I'm almost positive I didn't do anything and they automatically integrated, to be quite honest with you. But you pick out what you want, okay, and then you would click in who all you want required that you would bring in from your Outlook. So I mean, that's pretty darn easy. And then just hit send and boom, there it's done. Now what happens is the person gets this invitation, just click here to join. That's all they got to do. Forget about, there's other stuff's down here for backup, but for the most part, when they get the invite on any device, they click on this, it automatically goes in, you're sharing screens. I mean, it just can't get any easier than that, I don't think. But yeah, so in a nutshell, that is, the client, goes, like I said, on any device. And I'm telling you, it changes your world because now you can separate your personal life from your business life, which is not a bad thing.